So in this lecture, we will be studying about the applications of regular expressions to learn the basics of regular language and to learn the closer properties of the regular language. So what are the applications of regular expression? So the first application is text processing task, string processing. Second application is data validation, data scraping, especially web scraping, using REGEX for text pre-processing, that is natural language processing. What is used? Regex is used for natural language processing. So using this software, you can do text pre-processing, that is natural language processing. Extracting emails from a text document, regular expressions in web search engines, RE in Unix. So Unix is what? It is a operating system. So regular expression is also used in Unix. Basically, regular expressions are used in search tools, text file search in Unix. This command searches for a text pattern in the file and lists the file names containing that pattern. So EGREP, some common flags are: C is for counting the number of successful matches and not printing the actual matches. I is for the search case insensitive. N is to print the line number before each match printout. V is to take the complement of regular expression, that is return the lines which don't match. L is to print the file names of the files with lines which match the expression. So these are the various applications. Next application of regular expression is in the lexical analysis. Interaction of the lexical analyzer with parser. The lexical analyzer Lexer reads source code and generates a stream of tokens. Tokens can be described using regular expression. So A plus B is a expression, or we say in case of C language, int A is also a expression. So these are all different expressions, and these expressions, they are read using the lexical analyzer. What will the lexical analyzer do? The lexical analyzer will find if there is any kind of syntax error made or any kind of error made. So tokens can be described using regular expressions. So we have studied the tokens in C language, the various kind of identifiers, variables. These are all the tokens of C language. So it will be giving a describes. Tokens can be described using regular expressions. Regular expressions in Java. Regular expressions are a language of string pattern built in to the most modern programming language, including Java 1.4 onwards. They can be used for searching, extracting and modifying text. The Java package java.util.regex contains classes for working with regexs in Java. So this is a Java package and it contains classes for working with these. So this is also the application of regular expression. What is a regular language? A regular language is a language that can be expressed with a regular expression. Languages that can be recognized by a finite automata. So we say that regular language is a language which is recognized by a finite automata, that is a finite state machine. Closure properties of regular language. We have union, intersection, concatenation, clean closure and complement. So number 1, we will be studying about union property. If L1 and L2 are two regular languages, their union L1 union L2 will also be regular. So if there is a language L1, for example AN, this is the language L1, this is the language L2, then L1 union L2 will be a combination of both the languages, and that language will also be a regular language. This also is an example. If RE is 0, 0 plus 1 star 1, R2 is 1, 0 plus 1 asterisk 0, then the union will be add. This is the expression 1 for language 1 plus expression 2 of language 2. So in union, basically what are you doing? You are combining the both the languages, that is L1 and L2, to form the language, and that L will also be a regular language. So in union you combine both the languages. Next is intersection. If L1 and L2 are two regular languages, their intersection L1 intersection L2 will also be regular. So example is given, L1 is given to you and you have L2 given. So what will be L3? L3 will be intersection. What do you mean by intersection? The common element. In union you will take all the elements, but in intersection you will only take the common element. So in L1 and L2, if you see, L1 has AM, BN, L2 also has AM, BN. So in intersection we only take AM, BN. We do not take BN, AM. Why? Because BM, AM is not present in language L1. So only take the common language and it is also regular. Concatenation. If L1 and L2 are regular languages, their concatenation L1 dot L2 will also be regular. So we have been given a language L1 and we have been given a language L2. So L1 dot L2 will also be a regular language. This is AM into BN, so this is wrong. It should be AM slash M less than. This is now perfect. What is this? This is language L1. There is some mistake in printing. And L2 is BNN. N is greater than 0. So this will be your concatenation. Clean closure. If L1 is a regular language, its clean closure L1 star will also be regular. So if L1 is a regular language, if you put a star, then A union B will also be a regular language. Complement means what? Opposite. Complement means opposite. Union means all the elements. Intersection means only the common elements. Complement means the opposite. If L of G is a regular language, its complement L dash of G will also be regular. Complement of a language can be found by subtracting the strings which are in L of G from all possible strings. So what you do basically in complement, you do 1 minus L of G will be your L dash of G. So L dash of G will be what? 1 minus L of G. So if L of G is given to you as this language, then L dash will be this. Why? Because here it is given to you as N is greater than 3. So remove all the elements which are greater. So what will happen? N will become less than or equal to 3. This is what? This is the complement, the opposite.